3, 2, 1.
And then we have to try to catch the frog.
Hi guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at Grogu from Star Wars. This is a Tamagotchi, and I have a special guest here that's going to help me explain some of the features and benefits regarding this, how to use it, and some of the things to do, right?
Yep.
Yep, so this is something you wanted, correct?
Yep.
Yep, so what is the age group on it? What does it say here? What's the age on this one?
8+.
8+. Okay, so this is a little older for you, but you're 7. But I think you know how to use it, right?
7.5.
7.5. You're almost 8, right? So I think it's going to be okay. So the first thing you want to do is we already took off the tape already. We took all the tape off. Let's open this up and just show you a little bit how to take it out of the package, right? And then in the back, here's a little plastic piece. You just pull this off. Yep. Pull that off. And then you pull out the Tamagotchi. There he is. And now what we have here, you can see the little tab here. This is for what? The battery, right? Yep. And what do we have to do? Pull it?
Yep.
Yep. So let's pull that battery tab. And the first thing you're going to do is set the what?
Time.
Set the time. And there it is right there. You can see. So it's 12. So set the time. It's already blinking for 12. So let's just set the time here. Let's see what time is it. It's 9:30. So 6, 7.
6, 7.
And that's 9. And then we'll hit. And then it's 9:38. We'll just hold the button down. You can see it's moving really quickly. 9:38. Let's get 9:38. 6, 7, 9:38. There it is. And boom. And now the time is set. And here he's coming out now. You can see how it starts out. There he comes, just like that. Yep. There he is. Yep. He comes out. What's he like? Come out. Yep.
Like a ball or something.
Yeah.
And then you get your babies.
And then is that Boba Fett? And there he is. Isn't he cute?
Yeah.
Isn't he? Now you have to feed him and take care of him. And from what we understand, I guess in 3 days, different characters will appear, correct?
Yeah, like for a play date or something.
Yeah, like a play date. And then if you don't take care of him, what happens? I think a stormtrooper comes and something happens. So you got to take care of him, right?
Yeah.
Because it's not good if you don't, right? Yeah, so just to show you, it has a little keychain right here, correct?
Yep.
Yeah, and the back is where the batteries go if you have to change the batteries. So right here, 2 button cell batteries. They are included already, correct?
Yeah.
Yep. And there's a little screw here, so you need a parent to help you change the batteries if it dies. So you have to change this battery, and it will hold the memory. So when you're changing the battery, it will hold where you're at. So don't worry about that. And if you want to reset it, there's a little tiny button right there that you hit use a paper clip or something, and that resets the whole thing, and you can start over just in case you made a mistake. And also inside the package here is instructions, right?
Instructions.
Yeah, all kinds of instructions, how to use it. So it's a couple different things to learn, but take your time, read the instructions, and at your leisure. So we'll just do a couple different things. We'll just show you how to feed them, right?
Yeah,
so okay, so how do you do that? So show how to feed.
So we press
the
button.
Yeah, you got to show people. You have to show people.
And
So we press this button here, select the food. Yep.
And then the top one means soup, and the bottom one means cookie. I'm going to give him some soup. So let's keep it like that.
Yep.
And then...
Oh, you got to go back.
Yep.
So go back, select the soup. Yep.
And then he pressed it again.
Yep.
And then
He's eating the soup. Look at that. So he's drinking the soup, and he loves it. Now let's give him a cookie.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Cookie. We just...
Select cookie and hit enter. And now he's eating a cookie. He loves that. And give him one more soup. One more soup. I think he's still hungry because he was just born, right? Yeah. And he'll have another soup. And that's how you feed him. If you want the time, you just hit the center button. I think it's this button here, I believe, for the is it this one here? Let me see.
The
middle button for the clock. So that's the clock. And go back. You hit the back button here. Out of the clock button, hit that. So if you want all the time, you just tap the center and then select the time, and then you can go back and forth and play games, right?
Yeah.
You do games and all kinds of cool things. It's small, right? It's kind of small. Easy to put in your backpack. You can play with your dollies, right? Yeah. So what's your overall impression?
I like it,
Yeah.
but when I bought it, I expected it to be a lot bigger.
Okay, so you think it's small?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can see them pretty clearly.
Yeah, and I thought like you use like not the buttons mostly. I thought you like use your hands and stuff.
Oh, instead of the buttons, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, like a touchscreen.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is not a touchscreen. This is so back in the day we had Tamagotchis just like this, but they were much bigger. But you still had to use the buttons.
Yep.
So there's different ways, and you can play a game. So how do you do a game? Do you remember how to do a game? We'll just show our audience one game.
yeah.
Do you remember how to do that?
I think so.
Okay, let's see.
And then press that one.
Yeah.
Then press.
And okay, there's the frog game. That's a frog. So what you want to do is you want to catch the frog, right? 3, 2, 1.
And then we have to try to catch the frog.
Oh, you missed. Oh, do it again. Yeah, you got him. Oh, awesome. Do it again. Yes. So that's like a cool game. So it's like, I think, several different games. And that's pretty much it. So you have to take care of it. You have to feed him. He'll sleep at night and all that stuff. So I think it's cool. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like what?
And subscribe.
Subscribe and give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed this quick review on Star Wars Grogu. He's really cute and really cool. And we're definitely going to recommend him, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, guys. Thanks for what?
Watching.
Appreciate it. And don't forget to stay tuned and follow the channel for more. Have a great day.
Bye.